Welcome to Jay's Techie Crown. If you're watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe. Come, let's get into the video. In this video, we are going to see the most recent timelines and answers for most of the questions you posted in the comment section. The first timeline would be for the visa type 189 applied from state NSW. Actually, the person was living in NSW is an onshore applicant and it's for skill code accountant and it's for 189 visa. And you can see that the invitation was received on 10th of March and it was for 100 points. The visa was lodged on 9th April of 2020 and there was a CO contact this year of 18th April and he has resubmitted all the documents again on 29th April as per the case officer request, and finally the visa was granted on 25th of May. Also, you can note that the overall processing time was 14 months and you can see that the invite was received on 13th of March 2020 for 100 points for 189 visa. As you all know, 189 is a common visa for both onshore and offshore applicant. So with 100 points, he received the invite last year. Come, let's move on to the timeline 2. Here is the timeline 2 for the visa type 190 and the answer code is 261111, which is for ICT business analyst and it is for the state NSW. You can see that EOI was submitted on 4th of November 2020, that is last year, and he has updated the EOI with additional points which comes to almost 95 points as of 6th December 2020, and he is an onshore applicant. He has received the pre-invite by 25th of February, that is in 2 months of difference, and then he has received his invite by 3rd of March 2021, and finally he has applied for the visa on 8th March and there was a CO contact on 30th of March within 21 days of time, and there was a medical exam that has happened on 7th of April, and finally he has received the grant by 26th of May. Also, you can note that the entire processing from the date of EOI submission till the date of grant, which was almost 7 months of time, but the visa processing took only 2 months of time from the date of visa applied till the date of grant. Come, let's move on to the timeline 3. Here is a timeline 3 which is for the visa type 190 and for the state NSW, and the occupation is for software engineer 261313 with 90 plus 5 state points, and the EOI was submitted on February 2021. There was a pre-invite received on 9th of April, which took almost 2 months of time, and finally he was able to get the invite on 30th of April, and the visa was lodged on 7th of May, and finally he has received his grant by 29th of May 2021. You can see that the entire processing took almost 4 months of time. 2 things to note here. One is he is an onshore applicant, and second thing is the total number of points. You can see that for software engineering category, 90 plus 5 would be eligible to receive invite as of February 2021. So if you have 90 points with 5 points for state, then you are eligible to receive invite within 2 or 3 months of time. Here is the timeline 4, which is for the visa type 190 and for the state NSW, and the occupation is for developer programmer, and is an onshore applicant with points of 90 plus 5. You can note that the EOI was first submitted on 23rd of July of 2019 with less points, and then he has updated his EOI with additional points of 10, that is 90 plus 5 as of 20th of October 2020, which is almost 1 year after the first submission of EOI. Then he has received the pre-invite by 9th of April 2021 and received his actual invite by 5th of May, and the visa was lodged on 13th of May and a medical done within a week time, and finally he has received his grant by 5th of June of 2021. Also, you can note here that the entire processing from the date of EOI submission till the grant took 7 months of time, and from the date of visa submission till the visa grant took only 1 month of time. Also, you can see here that both for software engineer and for developer programmer, people are receiving invites for 90 plus 5 points as an onshore applicant. Here is the timeline 5, which is for visa type 190 and for the state Victoria. The occupation is health promotion officer, and the applicant here is also an onshore applicant, and the EOI was submitted on 6th of January 2021. He has received his pre-invite by 22nd January of 2021, applied for nomination on 28th of Jan, and finally he has received the CO contact by 2nd of March, and then he has applied for the visa after he has received the invite by 13th of March 2021, and he has done his medical by 17th of May, and finally the visa was granted by 31st of May of this year, and the entire processing took only 5 months of time. Come, let's move on to the next timeline. Here is the timeline 6, which is also for a occupation developer programmer, and is an onshore applicant for the state NSW with 90 plus 5 points, and you can see that he has received the pre-invite by 9th of April 2021, and then his invite by 7th of May, and he has lodged the visa by 11th of May and done with his medical the very next day, and finally he has received the grant by 5th of June 2021. So you can see that he has received the grant within a month of time from the date of applying the visa. You can see that processing is very quick in this case. It differs from case to case, depends upon your documentation. Come, let's move on to the next timeline. Moving on to timeline 7, which is also for visa type 190 for the state NSW with points of 80+5, and the occupation is veterinarian, and here an applicant is an onshore, and the UOI was submitted on 19th of April 2021. Visa was lodged on 9th of May. The medicals done at the end of May, and you can see that he has received the grant by 10th of June. You can see the entire processing was less than 2 months of time. Moving on to timeline 8, which is for visa type 491 for the state Queensland with points 55+15, and the occupation is for chef, and the applicant is onshore. The visa was lodged on 9th of July 2020, and visa was granted on 11th of June 2021. So you can see that the entire processing took 12 months of time for the occupation chef in Queensland. Moving on to the last timeline, which is timeline 9, which is for visa type 190, and the occupation is for air conditioned refrigeration for the state NSW with points 55+15, and here the applicant is onshore. The invitation was received on September 2019, and the visa was lodged on September 2019, and the medical was done on October 2019, and you can see that the PR grant happened only by 10th of June 2021. You can see the entire processing took 20 months of time. Things to note from these timelines. First one would be most of the invites are from NSW. We can see very few are from Queensland or from Victoria. Second thing would be onshore applicants with 90 points or receiving invite within 2 months of time, developer programmer or software engineering category. And the third thing would be in all these 9 timelines, you can see the invites only for onshore applicants, and we cannot see any invites or timelines for offshore applicants. Fourth one would be most of the timelines contains CO contacts. That means people who are filing the visa are missing few documents, and then CO is requesting for those missing documents, which may in turn delay the processing time. And the last point would be the visa processing took less than a month for most of the onshore applicants. You can see they have filed in the month of April and they are received within May or within June. So it shows that the visa processing is considerably taking very less time for onshore applicants. Come, let's move on to the Q&A time. Note, I am answering all these questions based on the data collected from different sources. Let's move on to the question number 1. So I could see most common question from lot of people are when offshore applicants would be receiving the invite. Before answering this question, I just want to highlight few points for the reason why offshore applicants are not invited during this time. The first thing is because of COVID and international border closure. As you all know, most of the countries has denied entry for Indians into their country because of this COVID. So even if offshore applicants are invited, they will not be able to do the police clearance or do the medical exam in their own country because of the COVID rule, and then they will not be able to even transit to any of the countries because of this COVID restrictions. So that is one of the reasons for which they are not inviting offshore applicants, and then they want to give priorities for the Australian residents and citizens for the existing job opportunities in the current COVID situation, which in turn may boost their economy instead of waiting for offshore applicants to come and fill the positions. And then the third thing would be to clear the backlogs. There are a lot of backlogs that needs to be cleared, so they are working on the backlogs, and also they are inviting frontline workers from offshore. I know few of registered nurses who have received invite for 190 as well as for different visas and from offshore, and they are traveling to Australia. Their visa processing has been completed within 2 or 3 months of time. So offshore applicants are receiving invite only for specific skill codes. So what are the to-dos for the offshore applicants? I would say wait for the international borders to open, and secondly, if you're having a score of less than 90 points, then I would say that try to increase your score for more than 90 points, as the minimum score of 90 would help you to receive invite within 6 to 8 months of times once they start the 189 processing for offshore applicants. Also, I would recommend you to wait for the physical area updates from the states for 190 visa. Parallelly, you can keep checking on their websites for 491 visa updates, as the 491 has more options for offshore applicants. Here is a question from Vamsi. What are the chances of getting invite for developer programmer with 90 points and also looking for 189? So I would say that, as explained in the timeline, if you are an onshore applicant with 90 plus 5 state points, then you will be able to receive invite within 2 months of time. And in case of 189, I would recommend you having minimum of 95 points to receive invite within 2 to 3 months of time. Hope I answered your question. Thanks. Please like and subscribe as a token of thanks, and continue to post your questions in the comment sections, and I will be happy to respond. Thanks again.